We made it to the aquarium.
Today we're heading
To the Aquarium of the Pacific
in Long Beach,
to check out the brand new expansion.
Pacific Visions.
We can't wait to get closer.
And check it all out. But first,
We need to check out our favorites.
let's have fun.
Yeah.
It's finally time. Well, we put in the interactive waterfall. Mom and Dad learned about some of the threats to our planet, like climate change and pollution.
Is this cool?
Now we see why they needed all this space on the outside and what it's used for on the inside.
It's amazing.
The new expansion is so cool.
It taught us we really need to take care of our oceans.
What was your favorite thing we saw at the new part of the aquarium at the expansion?
The bubbles that pop.
The bubbles that popped?
We had an awesome time at the aquarium.
We're coming back for sure. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.